Here we are in Mzuzu Malawi. I thought I'd give you guys another house update. My wife is really in charge of most of this, so some of the stuff I'm not going to be able to explain to you why, but that's because I don't know myself. But we're doing the blocks here. We've got a couple of hundred of them. They're doing the landscaping. They're using a lot of the cinder blocks for landscaping, which I didn't know was going to happen. We've got a lot of the grass planted. Got painting done in some of the bedrooms. Some of the bedrooms haven't even started. Some haven't even got tile yet. I don't know why, just the way it is. The bathroom tile in this one came out okay, except for the disaster there that I did another video on. This is, it's fair. It's just not great, but the shower came out fair, except for the spigot here. The spigot pours onto here. It doesn't pour into there. So you can use the shower though for that part. So, I mean, yeah, that went well. I just sprayed it all over myself and everything else. Okay, how cool. I would recommend not turning it up very high because it'll fly all over the place. Anyway, there you go. You see, that works fine. So you can take a shower in this bedroom. And we've been doing that because they're working in the master bedroom. Right now, they're still doing painting and doing some touch up on the ceiling. And there's roof leak in there they got to fix. If you look here, well, maybe with the light on, you're not supposed to be able to tell where the two pieces come together. Yeah, this is not very good. So we're gonna have to get them to redo this, all this joint stuff, because it's terrible. Looks like it was done by kindergartners. I mean, you can even see some of the nail holes still, which is not the way it's supposed to be. The hallway is, the main hall is mostly done. And this one came out pretty nice. The tile's good. Ceiling in this one's fair. Walls came out good. This bathroom works okay. That one also goes on the edge and it doesn't drain into the actual tub. As you can see, it hits back there, which is not good. So I'm not sure what, maybe we'll just put another piece of tile at an angle did a piss poor job of the whole thing. But the shower works okay. That goes right in there where it's supposed to. I'm not sure what we're going to do about enclosures around these, but maybe we'll do a couple of them one way and a couple of them another way. I don't know, but we'll see. The windows are okay, they work fine. The ceiling in this room came out okay, except for you can still see the nail holes, and you're not supposed to. This part came out okay. Still need, the door guys of course are about as dependable as a square wheel. The electrician hasn't covered up the breaker box. I guess we're calling this the dining room, is halfway done. Still got to do the crown molding in the center. There it is on the edge there. Came out good there. The extra battery for the solar deal. This is going to be the kitchen. Came out okay. That's going to be the maid's bedroom. Still haven't got the floor done, but they painted the ceiling and the walls. And there's no light bulb in there, so I can't turn the light on. Extra solar panels are still sitting here. And my saw that I brought from America, which is a good thing because these guys here don't have any tools. And so they can't do things like cut the crown molding at the proper angles and stuff like that to do the corners and such. So if you don't bring your own tools, you might as well forget it, because they're going to cut them with a hacksaw and it's going to come out looking like hell. Our hardwood doors, we got some of them in, and some of those come out pretty good. This is the way my wife wanted the tile. I guess she saw it like this over at the neighbor's house over there, and she liked it, so that's what we did. Not sure what this is about, but we'll find out. See what we're doing in the master bedroom here. We're getting there. Ceiling is about a 6 out of 10, I'd say. This is going to be cabinets here, so that's why there's no tile there. But the rest of it came out fair, except for, of course, this disaster, which I already covered. But that shower works fine. The paint they use here has a really strong smell to it. We still haven't done anything in that bedroom there. Haven't even cleaned it out yet. Haven't done the ceiling, haven't done the walls, haven't done the floor, haven't done the tile, haven't done the big window, haven't done anything in there. Why? I don't know. This one, what they call a sitting room or living room, I guess. The crown molding, cornice, all that stuff is up. We just need to get the light fixture that we ordered won't work. So we're gonna have to get one that actually functions and put in there. Got the tile done on the other veranda too. And this out here is going to be a special kind of cement. We got these molds like this. I'm going to use the molded blocks to do the walkway over there. And I guess it's going to go, looks like going to go all the way around the house. I wouldn't have thought that was a good idea, but any of you married men know exactly what I'm talking about when I tell you what I think doesn't matter. They're going to do what they're going to do. So anyway, I'll let you in on another update as soon as we get some more stuff accomplished around here. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. And I'll be happy to answer any questions I can.